got the drip, you need to come and see. She switching up her hair, her makeup stay on fleek. Got croquet on her hips, she never miss a beat. She showing off her style with a new video this week. Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie. Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She showing off her style with a new video this week.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Marie, and I'm back with another video. So first and foremost, before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe down below, press the subscribe button, tap the bell to be notified when I post a new video. So today is going to be a different video. I'm not doing a tutorial. I'm not doing a wig video, even though I haven't done that in a while. To be honest, we're just gonna have a little chit chat. And before I get into that, y'all like this top I made? You know what I'm saying? Your girl's writing a pattern for it, so if you guys would like to buy the pattern, you know what I'm saying, stay tuned. I'll let you guys know when I post it. So let's get into the video. So we're taking it back to 2009. As many of you guys know, I used to live in South Korea for a long time, and during my time there is when I decided I wanted to crochet. I remember my birthday was coming up. I think I was turning like 12 or 13 or something like that, and my dad was like, I can give you $150 tomorrow on your actual birthday, or I can pay under $15 to get you this yarn hook and the yarn. And I was like, I'm gonna get the yarn. Dumbest decision I ever made in my life. I should have took the money so I could buy more yarn, but obviously common sense was not there. Beyond the point. Anywho, so after I got the yarn, I ended up attempting to make my mom's friend a baby hat, and let me tell you guys, this was the worst hat I ever seen in my life. Oh my god, like I know we are all our own biggest critic, but like it was just the absolute worst. I was like, oh my god, and I was so shocked she still put it on her baby and all of that, and I was like, girl, that looks horrible, but like she still liked it and it made me feel really good. But after that happened, I decided I wasn't gonna crochet no more. I told myself I was done. So from that point on, I was done crocheting. Then when 2016 came, I was in college my freshman year, and I know a lot of people were talking about crochet bralettes, and like, I don't know what the talk about it was, but it was popping back then. I mean, it's popping now too, but it was popping back then. So I was like, let me just, you know what I'm saying, go get the yarn and stuff and try it again. I'll actually watch a video on how to do it. So I did. And y'all, it took me like a month to make the bralette. Like, it was just, oh my god, it took me a month to make the bralette, and it actually didn't look that bad. I'm gonna put a picture somewhere in here, my first bralette I ever made. It didn't look bad. And then shout out to this girl named Mac that I went to school with. I don't know where she's at or what she's doing in life, but I hope she's doing well. She was the first person who ever bought something from me, and yeah, she used to wear my stuff too. It was mad cool. Like, my stuff didn't look bad, but it just didn't look the greatest. Anywho, so after that happened, I crocheted for like a little bit. I made like maybe 3 or 4 more bras, and then I stopped. Oh my god, I don't know why I kept stopping, but I stopped. And then I didn't resume until 2018, where I went viral on Twitter for my brand. I had a friend who messaged me. I was like, hey, you should hop on the thread or the train where people were like, hey, my name's so and so, I live here, I do this, that, and the third. I did it, and honestly, it went like, I had like 80,000 likes on Twitter, and like, I made so much money. Oh my god, but I did not realize how cheap my stuff was. So like, y'all, when I tell you I was crocheting for months, like, I was crocheting for months. Crocheting for months. And then after that, I was like, okay, I'm done crocheting. And then I met my boyfriend at the end of 2018. Or was it the end of 2017? It was the end of 2018. And he was like, you should start selling your stuff because your stuff looks really good. And I was like, nah, I ain't gonna do that. That's a lot of work. And he just kept pushing me and pushing me and pushing me. And then I ended up starting my own brand called No May. No May. Ooh, I love that. Ooh. Don't ask me where I got my name from. It's really just like my name. But like, okay, I originally wanted to put the name Nami, but that name was taken. So I was like, okay, what can I do to make it sound like my name still? So I was like, No May. So that's what my brand name is, No May. And then also my boyfriend pushing my brand, he ended up pushing me to do a YouTube channel. So I started doing a YouTube channel, and I used to be very inconsistent with my posting. I can say that I'm doing a lot better now. Even though I did take a month off, I'm doing a lot better with my posting. And you know, with me starting my YouTube, it was never about me trying to be top dog or be like above everybody else in the crochet community. It was more so because like I wanted to be able to like create things and then have people create my things, and like, I don't know, it's just like a whole bunch of love in the crochet community. And I was like, that would be dope to find some people who do exactly what I do and love doing what I do. And that I did. I made a lot of crochet friends. Shout out to y'all if y'all watching this video. Yeah, so I think honestly that was like one of the best things, like being able to vibe out with other people who enjoy doing what I enjoy doing, because I just felt like it made everything a lot better. Also, I do want to tell you guys too, if you are a beginner crocheter and you're kind of lost and you don't know where to start, or you have been crocheting, your stuff's not turning out how you want it to turn out, everything takes patience, time, and practice. If you do not have patience, time, and practice, it's honestly very easy to get discouraged, because that was me at one point. As you can see, I had many stops where I stopped crocheting just because like I was discouraged. I didn't think that I could do it. But literally, practice, patience, and whatever else I just said, because I forgot what I said. I just want to tell you guys that you have to continuously work for what you want. If you want to see changes in your work, you have to keep working for it. It's not going to happen overnight. It does take time. But I will say that. Also, I'm always here if you guys have any questions about anything, like any possible thing that I can help you with, I will try to help you. Also, there's other people that you can reach out to, like Chasing Sunray. She helps a lot too. Like, y'all, when I tell you the crochet community is so helpful, like so helpful. I have people who will message me at like 2 in the morning or like weird times, like asking for help about something. I'm like, yeah, yeah, okay, because like I actually care about everybody else. Yeah, it's so much more than just like being about me. I want everybody to know that. Like, I want to see everybody grow as a person, and whatever I can do to help somebody, I'm gonna do. But yeah, that's really gonna be all for this video. Like I said, if you are a beginner crocheter and you need help about anything, message me, I'll help you. I'll be putting out another video to the crochet series. I stopped doing the crochet series for beginners because I thought nobody was watching it, so I stopped doing it. But I'll start back if you guys actually want to see that. Also, comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see a tutorial on. And like I said in the beginning, I will be putting out a pattern for this cute croppy top. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. What kind of name should I name this? Let me know. Let me know. Hey, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Okay, anyways, I'm distracted. Be sure to follow me on all my social media accounts at It's Nail Marie and at Nomay Official. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.